So good afternoon. Hi, this is me, Amna from GEM School. I would like to thank Miss Marilyn for a wonderful session. It was highly impactful. The one thing key takeaway of this session was how do we manage money. Okay, so like people like us who spend a lot on shopping and all, so that's really very good. Now we'll be very mindful of how do we spend and where do we spend, and we've got a lot of knowledge about credit cards as well. So thank you, and it's a wonderful session. We would like to have more sessions in our school like this so that all of us are very much aware of how to use and where to use money. Once again, thank you, Ms. Marilyn, for this wonderful session, and definitely Dubai Islamic Bank. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bijesh. I'm an educator of GEMS Millennium School. Last 18 years I'm saving money, but these 2 hours of class make me thought of paying the pain, how to get the pain. So I recommend this course done by Dubai Islamic Bank and KFI GLOBAL for giving this chance of the pain, how to relieve that pain from me, and I suggest this program for everyone.
Hi everyone, I'm Lakshmi Veeraraghavan from GEMS Millennium School, Sharjah. It was a wonderful session and that had a lot of key takeaways. Especially I like the point of pain of paying and so many other things. And I felt like I had a little of financial literacy knowledge today, and I hope to develop it further and share it with many more people. The best thing I liked is the duration of the program. I would like to thank KFI Global, and my special thanks to Dubai Islamic Bank.
Hi, this is Shrimanti. I'm working with GEMS Millennium School, Sharjah. And to be honest, I think a lot, like apart from the learning that I did, one thing I enjoyed was it was short, crisp, concise, and it was very interactive, which helped us to gain the insight also and not lose focus as well. So thank you for such a brilliant session. And yes, I do recommend it to all, and thank you, Dubai Islamic Bank.
Myself, Shirley Peter. I'm working in GEMS Millennium School. It's a very good established, and the way how they are explaining and all, which is a wide range. And I really thankful to Miss Marilyn, who has given us all the inputs about the savings and all.
Hi, I'm Dolly Geet, educator from GEMS Millennium School, Sharjah, and yes, I recommend this session to everyone. It was very knowledgeable for me, as I didn't know many things what I learned today. Thank you.